Morning, ma'am. My name is Nicholas Maton, and I'm going to be giving the introductory lesson into trigonometry. Now, just an important tip for the basics. You always have to use a 90-degree triangle when working with trigonometry. As we can see in this video, the side BC is a hypotenuse because it's the side opposite the right-hand angle. And the side BA is the opposite side. And AC the adjacent side, and in C you'll find the beta. And you can also write the letters hypotenuse, adjacent and opposite sides in one letter. Hypotenuse you can use H, adjacent you can use A, and the opposite you can use a O. The ratios of these sides' lengths will stay the same as long as the angle sides stay constant. With these three common sides, we can make three common ratios with them, as the opposite side and the hypotenuse, the opposite side and the adjacent, and the adjacent and the hypotenuse. And all three of these ratios have a name. The opposite side and the hypotenuse is sin thetas. The adjacent side and the hypotenuse side is called cos thetas, and the opposite side and the adjacent is called the tan thetas. As long as the angle stays constant, these simplified ratios will always stay constant in every ratio. So now we're going to look for the sin theta, the cos theta, and the tan theta in this triangle. Okay, so as we explained earlier, this is the hypotenuse, this is the opposite side, and this side is the adjacent side. So first we're going to look for the sin thetas of this triangle. Okay, so what you want to do is you take your hypotenuse over your opposite side, and then you get 6 over 10. And if you work that out, you get 0.6. And then we go into our cos theta, and then it will be your hypotenuse over your adjacent side, which you'll get 8 over 10. And if you work that out, you get 0.8. And then you get your tan theta, and that is your adjacent side over the opposite side, and you'll get 6 over 8. And then if you work that out, it'll be 0.75.